Now, welcome to you, my children, in my educational channel Science Tutorial. And today, you should be ready for the next variety or next topic of the value of x. You have to find the value of x. I have already told you that you can also find each and every variable terms with this process. There is no uh, if you understand these questions, your find the your capacity to find the uh, disappear terms will be very easy. And be ready with this question. You are watching this question, and this is the question. First of all, a, and you see that this question is 4x minus 3 wall 1 by 2 is equal 5 wall 1 by 2 4x minus 4. Now, first of all, we have to rewrite it with the change in improper fraction. Wherever you see the mixed fraction, that this is in mixed fraction, we bracket and we find 7 by 2, and this is also in mixed fraction, so bracket and we find 21x by 4. Now go for the similar process, that is already you know that first of all you have to uh, uh, you have to you have to select x terms, and you see that this is x terms before x, so no change of sign, and this is after x, so the change in sign we find minus 21x by 4, and no, there is no x, so we write equal, and 7 by 2 is before x, we write after x, and we can write plus 7 by 2, and 4 minus 4, we rewrite minus 4 without changing in uh, sign, because no change of plus, you can see that. You go for the next, you see that this is line, and first of all we have to do the sum of or subtraction of fraction. You find the LCM for, and you know that the process of uh, uh, add and subtraction in fraction, divide by denominator and multiply by numerator. We find it as minus 21x. Now do same process, 2 LCM and divide by 2, we find 1, 1 7 is 7, minus 7, when you divide by 1 you find 2, 2 4 is 8. You go there, you see that minus is greater, so we put here minus and subtract, we find 13x by 4. Here is also minus greater, so we write minus, and when we subtract we find 1 by 2. Both side we see minus, so we can cancel it, minus minus, and we see that 13x by 4 is equal 1 by 2. In the previous method you have already taught, you already learned that we have to make it cross multi, because one division both sides. So when we cross this when we cross this when we cross to up to down, we find 13x into 2 and down to up, so we find 4 into 1. So at last we can write the value of x is equal 4 into 1 by, because the 13 and 2 in multiply, so we write in divide in another side, cancel it by 2, we find as a result 2 by 13. This is our answer. Now one question you should also see. Now this is B. Here is question, you are saying washing air, and first of all in first step we change into fraction, simple fraction. You know that 1 wall 1 by 2 change into 3 by 2, 5 wall 2 by 3 change into 17 by 3, 3 wall 1 by 4x, 13x by 4, and here we cancel the point, so we write 10 and cancel it by 5, so we find 1 by 2, that is shown in next line, next step. And go for the next step, that is you know that first of all we have to write x in one sided in left hand, and we see that x is in his house, in his place, so there is no change of sign. 13x by 4 is after equal, so we change the sign and we write plus 13x by 4, and 3 by 2 is before equal, so we write plus 3 by 2 because its plus is changed, and 13 by 17 by 3 and 1 by 2 is right, so on without changing of sign because its plus is not changed. So go for the simplification, that is you see that this is the same term, that is in x, and first of all we take the LCM of 1 and 4 and divide by 1, and we find 1 from 4 into x, we find 4x, and when we divide by 4 we find 1 into 13x, we find 13x. Now do the similar work, 6 as LCM, and divide by 2 we find 3, 3 3 is 9, divide by 3 we find 2 17, multiply 34, and divide by 2 we find 3 1 is 3, here you see, and here you see that both are in plus, so we plus it, and 17x by 4 is equal, here both plus, so we write make it a single plus, 43 minus 3 by 6. Now go for the next step, that is you see that here is minus, so we minus it, subtract it, and 40 by 6. You see that single divide both sides, so by cross multi we find 17x into 6 and 4 into 40. And now go for the last step, that is the value of x. So the value of x, here you see that 17 and 6 are multiplied to x, so write in divide in another side, we cancel it by 2, and at last we find 80 by 51. When we change into mixed fraction we find 1 whole 29 by 51. Now go for the similar question, you see that this is the one A and C. You should do this similar question with for the perfection, and so that you will perfect these types of questions, and go for the next similar question. You should do these all the similar questions and show your teacher or guardian, and be perfect in mathematics with best bless, with good bless. I want to wish you that you be perfect in your future in mathematics with my heartily bless. I think that you are taking a good interest, and you should also like it and share it. If you are not subscribed, you should also subscribe this channel, and you should get a lot of benefit from this channel uh, uh, to see it in your home. And at last, I see you again. Thank you very much. Thanks.